Friends, my name is Lakshman Muralidhar Villewar. So today's topic is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. In this tutorial, we learn about Java exceptions, its type and the difference between check and uncheck exception. Firstly, what is exception? In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. Then what is exception handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime error such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Then advantages of exception handling. The core advantage of exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application. An exception normally disrupts the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle exception. Let's consider a scenario. There are 10 statements in a Java program and an exception occur at statement 5. The rest of the code will not be executed. Then statements 6 to 10 will not be executed. However, when we perform exception handling, the rest of the statement will be executed. That is why we use exception handling in Java. The hierarchy of exception classes. The java.lang throwable class is the root class of Java exception hierarchy, inherited by two subclasses. Exception and error. The hierarchy of Java exception classes is given below. Then types of Java exception. There are mainly two types of exception, check and uncheck. An error is considered as the unchecked exception. However, according to Oracle, there are three types of exception, namely check, uncheck and error. Then difference between check and uncheck. So first is check exception. In this exception, the classes directly the classes directly inherited the throwable class except runtime exception and error are known as check exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception, etc. Check exception are check at compile time. Then uncheck exception. The classes then inherited the runtime exception are known as uncheck exception. For example, arithmetic, null pointer, array index of bound exception, etc. Then uncheck exception are not check at compile time, but they are check at runtime. Then third is error. Error is irrecoverable. Some example of error are out of memory error, virtual memory error and assertion error, etc. Then Java exception keywords. Java provides 5 keywords that are used to handle the exception. First is try, second is catch, third is final, fourth is throw and last is throw. That's all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.